Development and testing. Test data. When a system has been developed, it needs to be tested. Test data should be used. Each field should be tested. Alpha and beta. Alpha testing is carried out by the developers or a specialized team of testers before a system is delivered to the user. This takes place close to the end of the development stage. Alpha testing can take a long time. Errors that are found can affect other parts of the system. Beta testing is used when software is made available to a larger number of customers. Beta testers are usually real customers that have been chosen to test an early release of an application or some new features. Beta testing usually means that multiple versions of the software is released before the version is final. Black box/white box testing. Black box testing involves selecting input data and checking the expected output data matches the actual output data, with no knowledge or understanding of what actually happens, which is why it is called the black box. This usually involves testing the whole system, and can be carried out by specialists or the users themselves. White box testing involves the same process of input and output, but the internal structure and logic of the program is known to the tester. This is usually carried out with small program modules by the software developers, to ensure the software is working as intended. Test plans. A test plan identifies what is being tested, the type of test, the input data that should be used to test it, the expected result and space to record the actual result. Testing is necessary because no developer is perfect and errors will occur. A test plan will identify all the tests needed for every element of a system, and will include different test data.